So here we are returning our car to the budget rental. And as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, and there's actually another suitcase in here, 4. 3 backpacks, so 4 large suitcases and 3 backpacks, plus there are 2 backpacks in the front, plus a suitcase, a big suitcase there, and a little suitcase there, and 3 kinderen. So everyone's packed in like sardines, but we made it to the airport safely. So here we are at Schiphol Airport. About 40 minutes ago we came off that elevator, and it's absolutely insane here right now with the people, and we have really nowhere to go. We finally got a luggage cart, with 1 cart, so we can get all the backpacks and stuff off the kids. Our bags are still here. Monica's got a snack. Yeah, we came early because we knew there was an issue with the refueling. And it still says that on the sign, that there's issues with refueling. And they're directing anyone who's got a European flight is going out that way. I don't know if they're going to go over to the other building to... yeah, so I think they're all going to that exit. Or entrance, I guess. I don't know. Exit and entrance into the other building. We don't have an actual gate, so we can't check our bags yet. So we have to just navigate around with them and hopefully find a place where we can sit down for a little while. But it's quite a zoo here right now. That has got to be the coolest clock ever.
It's 2:15.
Yeah.
So how many minutes
Almost.
until our plane is going to arrive? When our plane is going to arrive?
Wow, that's so neat. I watch the clock all day. She's very, very serious. Look at her face. Are you really serious? Are you really serious? Just watching the Lego movie again. And Willem and I are watching
How to Train Your Dragon 3.
Yeah, I haven't seen it yet.
I have.
And I have no idea what. I think Lawrence is just playing on his tablet and Papa's watching a scary looking movie. A very scary movie. Very scary.
KLM wensen wij u een prettige vlucht. Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs, je m'appelle Hans Lupking et je suis votre chef de cabine.
We're about to take off.
I feel the plane moving.
Yeah, it's moving now. The plane had been delayed 30 minutes because another plane had actually hit a bird on the runway. So we were all delayed, and now we're finally gonna be taking off. Yay! Monica was starving, so she's finishing off our sausage rolls. I'm not sure we're allowed to have food and take off at the same time, so we're gonna manage that.
Beautiful image.
We're gonna take off. We're taxiing down the runway now, and we're gonna be taking off very soon. What do you think? What are you watching?
The dragon video.
How to Train Your Dragon, number 3. Yeah. We're gonna be taking off soon.
I feel the plane moving so much. I feel it vibrating.
Yeah. We're just driving.
Oh yeah, it's just moving. We're having a good time.
Yeah. Hey, the landing gear has been dropped. And we're almost ready to land. What do you think? Are you happy to be home? You kept asking when we were going to be home. Now we're going to be home. Well, not really. We're going to be in Montreal. But we'll be home soon. Funny girl. You're still watching TV.
Yeah.
We're going to land in a few minutes. 5 minutes it says.
I've been awake since we even got on this plane, and I've never stopped watching movies ever since.
Yes, I think I watched 3 or 4 now.
I watched, what was the first one? Oh yeah, How to Train Your Dragon 3, Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet, Venom, and this one.
But you know, you watched the other one that I watched, Johnny English.
Oh yeah, Johnny English.
Mommy, yeah.
Look at the bridge!
Yeah, we're dropping.
Woohoo!
We're dropping like flies here.
Last time, when we went to the Netherlands, we couldn't record the landing down part because I had trouble with my ears.
That's right.
But now I don't.
You popping them? Pop them?
I barely popped any.
Yeah, but we haven't landed that far yet. It might still hurt.
How many more? 4 minutes.
4 minutes, yeah. Keep popping your ears. How are your ears doing?
You're just getting blocked up.
Yeah.
Not blocked up, and blocked up, and blocked up.
Yeah, you can pop them.
No.
Yawn. You could do a big yawn.
No, no, Mommy.
That helps to unblock your ears.
No, Mommy.
Yeah.
If I just do this, gulp.
Gulp, yeah. That swallowing works, yeah.
Yep, and then it gets to pop my ears. Let me see here.
Oh, yeah, pick it up. Pick up with that. Yeah, that's how it works. Or the ground is coming up to meet us. More noises. Is that more landing gear? Was that a yawn? Tell me you've been awake since the beginning of time here. Yeah.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
Ow. It hurts.
It's time. Ears popping again?
No, I can still hear anything.
You can't still hear anything? You can still hear.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see the city through the window. Yeah. I didn't have a window seat, so I wasn't going to be able to record anything there, but... Ooh, feel that? Kind of going up and down.
This is like wiggling.
You're silly. You're silly. Whoa. That was kind of a roller coaster ride. Being funny. Oh, finally your show's over. Good.
We are currently 300 feet above the ground.
Oh? Oh, Papa has a different view than we do.
kilometers an hour.
Did you notice that the ground it says minus 11, minus 18? Yeah.
We are in the ground.
Is that sea level?
We're in the ground.
Whoa, 204 kilometers, 150. We're not going 150 now.
Oh gosh.
I just the Montreal airport with the gazillion cars here. This is where the people get picked up, and then there's taxis and buses and stuff that go that way. So hopefully our person finds us quickly.